Glossonema varians is a small size of plant naturally grows on the rocky and gravel surfaces of only some areas of district Khuzdar, Rajistan, some areas of district Jaisalmer, Rajistan, India, and in some areas of Qatar near Doha. In India, local people call it Khiroli. In Qatar, Jarawah or Yarwa. Here in Khuzdar, its name is Khuromp. This plant officially has included in the lists of flora of India and Qatar. In both countries, scientists related to agriculture and environmental fields are striving hard to save the life of this rare plant. Maybe this rare and unique plant exists in some other areas of world, but not confirmed yet. During monsoon rains, in the months of later part of June, July, it starts flowering, and in the months of August and September starts bearing fruit. Its fruit shape is ellipsoid and beaked. It's from Apocynaceae of plants. Apocynaceae plants included tropical trees, shrubs, herbs having milky juice, and flowers. The botanical name of Khuromp is Glossonema varians. G varians mostly regenerate from the parenting rootstock after rain. Khuromp size is almost 2.5 centimeter. The total area of district Khuzdar is about 38,000 square kilometers, but this rare plant found only in some areas like Khuzdar city, Sasol, Zidi, Ferozabad, Baghwana, Tutak, Noghi, and Vad. These villages just I mentioned are come in arid and semi-arid zones. Arid and semi-arid zones suit well to this rare plant. Many areas of Khuzdar fall in this zone. So, this year, due to heavy rains here, production of G varians or Khuromp is high. When in market it is brought for sale, people purchase it like hotcake. It's edible. People of Khuzdar, especially villagers, use its fruit as food. Actual taste of it to use it as fruit. Some villagers also cook it as use it as vegetable. When it cooked, its taste seems like mushroom, but mostly people use it as fruit and is eaten in raw form. As I mentioned that this tender and rare plant also found in some areas of Jaisalmer, an area of Rajistan, India, and in Qatar. Indian scientists like Mr. Parth Jagani and Dr. Sumit Dokia have made their researches on this rare plant. According to them, it is highly nutritional. It is used in India as energy tonic, as well as it has its medicinal and other uses. Researches on Khuromp or G varians show that it contains carbohydrates, flavonoids, amino acids, and fatty acids. Carbohydrates are helpful for brain, kidneys, heart muscles, and for central nervous system. Flavonoids are considered as an indispensable component in a variety of nutraceutical, pharmaceutical, medicinal, and cosmetic applications. It is also antioxidative, anti-inflammatory, anti-mutagenic, and anti-carcinogenic properties. Fatty acids are beneficial for reducing inflammation, heart disease risks, control lupus, eczema, and rheumatoid arthritis, and may play protective roles in cancer and other conditions. Amino acids also found in Khuromp. Amino acids help to break down food grow and repair body tissues, make hormones and brain chemicals, provide energy source, maintain healthy skin, hair and nails, build muscles, boost immune system, and sustain a normal digestive system. Now, this life-giving plant, Khuromp, or Glossonema varians, is fighting for its own life. Its use for medicinal purposes in factories, its habitat destruction, overgrazing, increased environmental change, its limited natural growth, and consumption as food has made it one of the critically endangered plant species. Now it is found only in some areas of its origin. This unique plant needs conservation efforts from the side of agriculture, environmental and forest related experts, higher authorities and governments of Pakistan, India and Qatar by making it a regular crop to be grown on commercial basis.